10.
Yeah, it's a 10 out of 10 for me. That's real good.
You want to try my next?
Yeah.
Alright. They give a little lid where you can like kind of shake it.
Yeah, they recommend you shake it. They like sweet. No, tip it upside down. Yeah, see, mix it all.
Oh, let's see, y'all.
Yeah, you gotta mix it.
Alright, and I'm still gonna mix it a little bit with the straw. Right in your eyeball. Let's see if I can make a nose.
Wow. It's a nose.
It's a nose. Alright, mix this around a little bit.
I need a little fruit chunks in there too. How's that one? That one's good too.
That one's fire. I give that. I got a 10.